just a little bit of an update in my room. My dirty clothes in my hamper. I got 3 hampers now. I got my new refrigerator back there, a new freezer up there. Got me a freezer and a refrigerator. Freezer on top, fridge on the bottom. It's 1 unit. Got a good deal on it. Also got a snow cone machine right here, and got a VCR at the thrift store, JVC. It actually works. Precision head plug and play. JVC VCR, like 13 bucks. And then I want to show you my new firework haul. I'm wearing orange because we're slaves to the system. We're prisoners of life. But got me a beer mug. It's the weekend tomorrow. Saturday is tomorrow. Ain't gotta work. Figured I'd do a video. Been a long time. Been a few weeks, probably more. My life really hasn't changed. I'm working, making money. Got an honest job. Still no girlfriend. Still not married. It is what it is. Still pretty much the same situation. Tonight's on the family night, Friday night. Gotta break out the shrimp. I got some shrimp pizza for later. Ham sandwich. Wish I had a good ham sandwich earlier. Show you my firework haul. I made my latest firework haul. Some fucking beer. Probably like 10 bucks for a mug at the rodeo or amusement park, Cedar Point. Even though it's not the greatest quality, but it's all I got. Ice cold. For you guys, beer, Steel Reserve, kind of raunchy smelling. 8.1. I think it's 8.1. 8.1 ABV. Tastes good cold. It's been in the refrigerator for over a week. Beer. Orange. Shirt for prisoners. I get hot wearing a t-shirt. It gets hot up in my room. That's why I got the fan going. Doing a cooking video. Thought about doing a basketball video tomorrow. Burger King all the way. Love Whoppers. Show you my firework haul. Get the show on the road. Fuck. A veteran, so I get half off. Got the Look Spider Sky. Probably does spider effects. This is by Top Gun Fireworks. My favorite's Black Cat. Gucci, that's good. I don't know. Happiness Fountain, love Black Cat. Happiness Fountain here. Well, fountains. Just curious. Curious what they do. too shabby. Especially got a total of 14 items. Cosmic Encounter Fountain. Effects: snow pine with blue, silver burst with red and green. Got a missiles, 6 missiles. My favorite missiles: Arrowhead missiles, Phantom. These were actually the most expensive thing I got. Love missiles. Missiles is like my favorite in the tree spinners and the ground blooms and the tree spinners and the parachutes. And Black Cat firecrackers are my favorite. And I like the whistling bottle rockets, parachutes, and missiles. I like the ground spinners too. Fountains are cool. Speaking of a fountain, mortar's okay, repeaters are alright. I got novelties I like too, like little cars and race cars that go off. This is a my Maddox brand Kiwi. I don't even know what it does. It's like a cut like fruit, it says. It fuses right there. Pretty interesting. I got 100 Saturn battery 100 shot. Hell yeah, Saturn battery 100 shot. Got another beaming light fountain. I got a pooch. Love the smell of fireworks. Beam lights fountain. Confetti light fountain. Got me M98 crackers. Better beer satellites. These are artillery battery satellites. Another beaming light. I was gonna get a morning glory, but long ones. But that's all my fireworks I got right here. As you can see down there, my firework haul. Missiles are my favorite. Firework haul, small. I got more fireworks, but it's just a little something. Little something. Better than Yellow Group. Better than Pyro too. Pyro was showing me all these fireworks. You know, like stuff like he had to travel like thousands of miles to get shit. I don't even have to travel far to get my shit. Here's some strobes too. These are Walter's Flash strobe fountain. I don't have to travel far to get my shit. That's fucking stupid to have to travel by plane to get rare stuff. And you can just get cool stuff. Shit, less than 60 miles away from me. I didn't even have to travel over 60 miles away. Less than 60 miles away to get my stuff. Probably about 22 miles away, 25 miles away to get my shit. Shit. Pyro my ass. Man, it's been a while since I drank. Feels weird drinking. I ain't really used to it. I need to pop one of these open, especially the yellow one. Yellow's my favorite color. Shit, that's pretty cool. Look at that thing. Look at that. Little shit like that's pretty cool. See, what the hell does this do? Welder's Flash strobe fountain. If it whistles, that'd be cool. I like the Whistling Pete. Whistling Pete's really cool. Fucking 2013 on there. That's what's up. That's pretty cool. Now that's badass. That's pretty fucking cool. That's what I'm talking about. Cheers. Fuck the haters. You ain't know me, you don't know me like you think you do. I'm not the kind of person you think I am. For real. Real talk. Facts. I ain't the person you think I am. There's a lot you don't know about me. There's a lot you can learn about me. For real. Real talk.